everybody, my name's Alannah Jade and I'm the director here at Ella Jade Hair in Brisbane, Australia, and I'm here today with my lovely model Mel. I'm so excited to be showcasing Goldwell's latest innovation in hair colour, Topchic Zero, and today I'm going to be using that in a face framing technique using the System Thickener. So we've already pre-lightened Mel's hair here today. When choosing a face framing technique, it's important to understand the face shape that you're working on. So we've identified that we're working with a square shape here. So what we're really going to focus on is creating depth through the forehead, the temple area, and then coming through to the jawline to really contour and highlight Mel's face. Let's get started. Okay, so we've just set up for the face framing technique. So our first section is going to be our point of depth. So we've got a fine section coming through here on a diagonal back, and this is going to place depth through the forehead, the temple area and the jawline, and then it's going to fade into something that's about 2 shades lighter. So this section we're going to be working with 9V, 6VA with the System Thickener, and then we're going to merge it into 9V through the ends. And our second section through here is going to be 9V from roots to ends, which is going to fall over and support the depth. So we've just finished up here with Mel's face frame look. As you can see, it's a great way to change up her look and really to contour and highlight her face. So we'll just come on through and you can have a look in here. So we've just come in through that first section with the 6VA and the 9V, and then it's working into that 9V through the ends. And as you can see, it's just really contoured Mel's face, given her that little bit of depth that she needs in through there, and then she's just got that gorgeous blonde sitting over the top. So I hope you like it. For more inspirational videos, please head to the Goldwell YouTube channel, and we'll see you again soon. See ya.